Welcome back to this segment of the crypto trading course. Now I'm going to show you what a cryptocurrency is. Okay, so now a cryptocurrency is a currency that is built with cryptography. Okay, so that's where the name emanated from, the cryptography, then a digital asset that is built on cryptography. And you cannot talk about blockchain without talking about cryptography. Okay, so that is where it got the name cryptocurrency. Okay, the combination of the word currency and the word cryptography is what makes it a cryptocurrency. So also, the cryptocurrency is any digital asset or a digital token that is created on a blockchain. So Bitcoin is an example of a cryptocurrency that was created on the Bitcoin blockchain. So blockchain is like a platform, okay? It's like a platform, just like you have a stadium. A stadium is a platform. The players, the canopies, the goalposts, the fans base, the coach, whatever. So all of these things are examples of coins or cryptocurrencies. Okay, but the blockchain that carries everything is the stadium. Okay, so that you cannot have different parameters, different set of variables on that blockchain. So the platform that powers Bitcoin is a Bitcoin network. Some people call it network, others call it a Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so then Bitcoin is the first crypto in the world, created by. Okay, as you can see, I've made a playlist for you guys that will teach you all the basics and the fundamentals of crypto and cryptocurrency. So all I'm asking for from you guys is just subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, like the video, and make a comment down below. Let me know what you've gained from each of the course module, each of the video. Let me know what you've gained so far from it. So I'm going to appreciate this feedback. Subscribe, turn on notification button, like this video, and make a comment. That is all I'm asking from you guys. The man who remains anonymous, his name is Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, so every other things that came after Bitcoin, they are referred to alternative currency. So whether it is Ethereum, whether it is, if the world likes, they can create a billion number of coins today. They are all referred to as alternative currency. So I'm going to take you to a website now called COIN Capitalization. We are going to be using more of this website as we go on in this training program. So this is the website. So on the website now, you can see a lot of coins on the website, and the current market capitalization of the entire market now is $2.06 trillion at the moment. So out of this market capitalization, Bitcoin have over $1 trillion market cap in the market right now. Okay, so and it is the number one on coin market cap. So all the ones that you have below Bitcoin, they are all referred to as alternative currency. So when you come here, you're going to be having access to more information about Bitcoin. Here is a chart. Okay, that is a historical price history of Bitcoin. Okay, this used to be an all-time high some years back before it dropped down to this point, and now Bitcoin is currently at this price point. Okay, so now this is, if you want to create a Bitcoin wallet, you will come here. Okay, and you can have access to all kinds of third-party platforms that allows people to create Bitcoin wallet. So you can create Bitcoin wallet with Ledger, you can create Bitcoin wallet with Trezor, Mat wallet, a lot of them. So let's visit this website to create our first Bitcoin wallet. So I don't mean to open up the code. Okay, I'm going to close this now. So let's visit this website, okay, to see if we can create a Bitcoin wallet right now. Okay. So while we are waiting for this website to load,
Also, you can have access to the source code. This is the source code of Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin white paper. If you want to read more about Bitcoin in the document. And this is the Bitcoin community. We have Bitcoin Talk and we have Reddit.com. You know, they have community for Bitcoin over here. And this is the Bitcoin Explorer. Okay, the Explorer is like a client, like an interface that you can use to have access to information on the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so now if you want to create a wallet here, let's try a web wallet. Okay, so let's create a Bitcoin wallet now, right now. Okay, so it will load an interface where you can create a Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so it is asking that you should log in via wallet browser extension. We don't have the extension installed on our system at the moment. Okay, so but the right thing to do is to go on Play Store and download this mobile app. Okay, on Play Store. So I'm going to be making a video, like a tutorial on how to create your first Bitcoin wallet using Trust Wallet, because there are other clients that you can use to create it also. So now this is the Explorer. So you can come to bitcoin.org also to see how it looks like. Okay, so choose your wallet. You can get started with Bitcoin. There are a lot of information on this platform. Okay, that you can get yourself familiar with. So I'm going to be providing access to all of these links also in the course. Okay, so I've really missed anything. So that's what you have to know about cryptocurrency, about Bitcoin, and every other alternative currency that is out there. See you in the next episode in this course.